Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Icebreaker Challenge, the first challenge of Trainer Mastery Month. They say you never get a second chance to make a first impression. As trainers, those first few moments determine whether participants engage, trust us, and stay invested in the learning journey. Today, each trainer present over here has 8 minutes to demonstrate their ability to create that connection. This isn't about entertainment, it's about creating an environment where learning can begin. So, as participants, I invite you to engage wholeheartedly and observe with the facilitator's eye. So let's begin our first challenge. First up, we have Miss Smita Rajhans, and she has a very intriguing name for her icebreaker, Blinkit. Over to you, Smita.
Thank you, Radhika. Hello. Hello, everyone. How are you all?
Absolutely.
All
Okay.
good.
Absolutely. Thank you. Yes. Now, when we blink it, what comes in your mind first? What means blink it for you, Dinesh?
The delivery. That's the first
Okay.
thing.
Satya?
सब्जी बनाते वक्त कुछ खत्म हुआ तो ब्लैंकेट
Okay. So that's with it. Apart from that, blink. Why it must have come?
So
What it
for
must be?
me, it is a game that I play with my children. We actually call it Blinkit, wherein we just stare into each other's eyes, and who blinks first is the
Good.
loser. So for me,
Absolutely.
that is Blinkit.
So the activity which deals with eyes,
Yes,
right? What is it? That's good.
that's good.
Now, what's an eye for the computer or laptop?
कैमरा
The camera.
Absolutely true. We are going to play with the camera that we have on our screen.
Okay.
I think we all are aware about the button where we are going to blink it our laptop.
Yeah.
यस
Yes, absolutely true. Thank you, Satya, for the demonstration. Let's switch on the camera.
We'll switch off.
Switch on. Switch
Okay.
on.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Now, moving ahead, there are few questions that I'll be asking you. If your answer is yes, you're going to switch on the camera. If it's no, keep it off. I think I'm very clear with this.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So it is called as a blanket. Okay. I request everyone to switch off. Thank you. My first question: switch blanket if you love chocolates. Okay. Now switch on the camera if you have visited Paris. Okay. Switch off again. Thank you. Now switch on if you are holding a cup of tea or coffee. Okay. Now switch on if you have a notepad next to your laptop. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Switch off. Now switch on the camera if you have attended any online session in pajamas. Okay. Be honest. Most of the online sessions, it goes in the same way, isn't it? No. Okay, that's good. Switch off. Now switch on if you um, searched your glasses when you're wearing it. You search for the glasses on your head and you moved in the house searching it. Okay, sure. Now switch on if you anytime if you have forgotten why did you enter in the room. It's a common thing that it happens with most of the people. isn't it? Okay. Switch off.
It happens to me when I go near the fridge also.
Oh, why did I open the fridge?
Why did I
Isn't it?
open it?
It happens most of the time, even. Yes. Sure. Now, switch on if you have visited Hyderabad. That's good. Thank you. Now, switch on the camera if you feel that this session is going to give you something fruitful. You're going to learn. Thank you. Through this, that was a last question of mine. Through this, we come to know there are a number of things, reflective kind of things that we get. Yes. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. What do you call Smita? And yes, Satya and Dinesh, time for you to score. Uh, we are giving you 1 minute. TikTok, the time starts now. And we want you to score and send the scores to us. Please DM it. And give me a thumbs up once you are done with it. So, Smita, my takeaway from the entire, what do you call, yes, on recording, I didn't get your point, Satya.
Ma'am, actually, this is the same icebreaker I also matlab prepared from.
Yes. So, Smita, my thing is, where do you think you can use this icebreaker? At every online session, or do you think this is for a particular crowd only?
Particular crowd, especially where I require the audience to be reflective. They should know themselves in a better manner. They should introspect themselves, right? That kind of sessions, it will be very, very helpful. Or it can be useful changing the pattern of the questions. If I change the questions, it can be used in many corporate sectors also and other sectors also, but I'll have to work on the question series.
Okay, right, right. Yes. So, Dinesh, have you sent the message, please?
Yeah, I've sent it.
Okay. Satya, have you sent DM the message? So, Dinesh, we would love to know what you call, what is it that you take away from this session?
Yeah, it's basically what I understood is it's more of a self-reflection, like Smita tells us. Like sometimes we don't even notice the smallest of the things, and by doing this exercise, like forgetting the glasses, or maybe a trip to Paris long back, but you will realize that okay, I visited Paris, but then so all those things, and I think that's really true when you say reflection. Entering a room is like it's like everyone's favorite, I suppose. And in the virtual world, we all have attended in meetings in pajamas, so you have again made me nostalgic going to the corporate days again. So yeah, overall, I can see the same kind of an activity which even I can incorporate it. One of my learnings. Again, I think activities remain the same. It's how you pose the question which matters the most.
And
So,
I think what do you call it's like COVID, especially when the COVID was going on. This pajama thing was a very common thing that went on, I guess.
True, true.
and it was so. I would say that the mad thing happening. No, you were having back-to-back calls because you were, and sometimes you were not even properly dressed, and you have to switch on the camera suddenly without realizing. And sometimes the cameras are on auto on,
Auto on.
so and it
Think
becomes
about the teaching profession, Dinesh. It was so
yeah.
horrible even.
My wife is a teacher, so I know that.
True,
Every person walking behind and carrying something, or even if the person is wearing
true, true,
normal
true,
clothes, somebody else would be going in some pajamas in the shorts or vest. So, That is very
Right.
amazing days, I think. But
So,
yeah, it depends totally how you use this activity. That's the more important thing. And as far as I'm concerned, I can use it for any of my for the technological as well as the human aspect.
right.
It's
So,
fine.
Satya, what do you think? How was the
It is
icebreaker?
very, it is good, interactive, and more important, everyone will be present with their body and soul and mind. So it is very nice and
Right.
very well conducted also. The voice modulation and the gaps, it is very well conducted.
Thank you.
Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Smita, for the wonderful presentation. So, every icebreaker teaches us something, not just about the activity itself, but about facilitation, communication, and creating a learning environment. Take a moment to reflect on what you observed today, what you call, and what you can incorporate from this into your own sessions. I think it is a lovely way and a fun way to start any session, because absolutely there is, I personally feel it's super fun. So, thank you to our trainer, Ms. Smita Rajhans, for stepping into the mastery arena. We now conclude this slot and look forward to the next challenge. It's a sign off from Radhika Kotha. I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.